This compact Ahlirmoy camera delivers detailed 5K video and 64 megapixel stills that look impressively sharp for travel, family events, and everyday shooting. The combination of true optical zoom and additional digital zoom lets you frame distant subjects without the heavy image degradation typical of digital-only zoom. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it straightforward to move photos and clips to a phone or tablet, which is especially handy for quick social media sharing while on the go. It doubles as a simple webcam with a built-in microphone, so you can use the same device for vlogging, live streaming, and video calls. A clearly labeled mode dial gives you fast access to options like continuous shooting, time-lapse, slow motion, and looping video, which encourages experimenting with different creative styles. The included memory card, spare battery, and protective lens cap make this an unusually complete starter package that is ready for all-day shooting right out of the box.